Welcome to Sanger High School, where students are turning sparks into success. In our high school welding class, students dive into the fascinating world of metalwork. From shielded metal arc welding to MIG welding and TIG welding, they master a range of techniques that form the foundation of a rewarding career. But that's not all. Our students also learn the art of precision with oxyacetylene cutting. It's not just about welding, it's about crafting metal with skill and precision. Project planning is a key component of our program. Students don't just weld, they become architects of metal projects, learning the ins and outs of project planning and fabrication.
One of my favorite projects in the welding class is a fire pit that me and a group of friends made, and we had no clue how to make it, but we ended up making it, and Mr. Bessie ended up liking it.
From concept to creation, our students bring their ideas to life through hands-on fabrication. It's not just a class, it's a creative workshop where imagination meets metal. And here's the icing on the cake. Successful students have the opportunity to earn AWS Weld certifications, a prestigious recognition that opens doors to exciting career opportunities.
Yes, both the OSHA and the general welding certifications both mean to employers that you are proficient in welds and that you know job safety and that you know how to handle a job site.
Sanger High School is not just shaping welders, we're molding future craftsmen and women ready to conquer the world of welding with skill and confidence. Join us at Sanger High School, where sparks fly and dreams take shape.